to do TikTok lagging error fixed. Hello everyone, it's me Vak, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to just do TikTok lagging error fixed. For this, at first you have to launch your very TikTok application on device, tap on it, then go to the I like option. Then here when you see the interface like this, now you have to just go to the option of set as default. After tapping in set as default, here you have to enable open the supported links and then again go back. Then you can just scroll down and go to the option of storage. Here you can see the option of cache. You can go to the option of clear the cache, and after your cache is cleared, now you can go to the option of Play Store on your device. You can go to the search icon on your device, and after you proceed to the search icon on your device, here in the search icon of your device, you have to search Play Store. Now, when you search Play Store on your very device, you can see that it will lead you to an interface like this here. So when it takes you to an interface like this here, you have to tap on Play Store. After tapping on the Play Store application on your very device, in the search icon of Play Store, you have to search TikTok there. Now you have to wait for a while until the very search icon appears, and then you have to search TikTok there. When you search TikTok there, you can see an interface like this. If you see the option of update, you can update it and open it, and your problem is done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.